Mango cucumber salad. Ingredients: 1 English cucumber, thinly sliced. Half small red onion, finely chopped. Half teaspoon salt. 1 garlic clove, minced. 1 teaspoon peanut oil. 2 cups chopped seeded tomato. 1 red or green jalapeno, seeded and minced. 1/4 teaspoon cumin. Dash of cinnamon. 2 ripe yellow mangoes, pitted and diced. 3 tablespoons chopped, unsalted dry roasted peanuts. 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro. 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice. Instructions: toss together the cucumber, onion, salt, and garlic in a colander. Let stand 20 minutes to drain. Meanwhile, toss together peanut oil, tomato, jalapeno, cumin, cinnamon, and mango in a large bowl. Add the cucumber mixture to the bowl and toss to combine. Garnish with peanuts, cilantro, and lime juice.